IELTS is not required. Top foreign medical university, only 4.5 hours away from India, and there is also a surprise in there. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video where we explore top foreign medical university. और इस वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे about a country which is only 4.5 hours away from India. So let's talk about Georgian American University. मैं इस यूनिवर्सिटी की सारी डिटेल्स इस वीडियो में कवर करूंगी. So please watch it till the end. I will also answer some FAQs and there is also a surprise in the end. See, this is the best option for MBBS abroad because they follow the same academic structure as followed in Indian medical universities. Along with centralized ACs and heaters in the classrooms, they also provide reception tables and access to labs and simulators. Faculties be highly experienced here with international qualifications and they are actively involved in research too. The course duration is 5+1 years and best clinical exposure के साथ hands-on experience भी मिलेगा because you will have to go for postings in your second year. GAU has its own hospital and a lot more affiliated hospitals in the same city. So from second year onwards, you will get a lot of clinical exposure. Library is equipped with all the essential books and facilities for the students. Compared to other universities in Georgia, GAU has the highest passing rate in FMG, which is 80%. Let's talk about the fee structure. So their tuition fee is 2 lakh per year and their hostel fee is also 2 lakh per year, including food. If you're worried about your social life, they also have many cultural festivals like Holi, Diwali, a fresher party for all the new students to feel like home. Now let's talk about eligibility. It is compulsory to pass NEET and have 50% in your PCB of your 12th exams. Plus one English interview will be taken by the university and don't worry, IELTS is not required. Now let's talk about the surprise that I told you all about. If you choose GAU as your dream destination, अगर इस यूनिवर्सिटी में आप जाना चाहेंगे, so your first flight from India to Georgia will be sponsored by Select Your University. So I will tell you about the key points of GAU. एक तो है that it is a premium university which has its own hospitals and own hostels. And they also have the special training program Proceum. It is affiliated with a trusted agency that is SYU, Select Your University. Now SYU is the best educational organization for studying abroad from the last 14 years. They send more than 2,000 students abroad every year for study. I would also like to discuss some FAQs regarding GAU. Now some people are having this doubt कि ये यूनिवर्सिटी NMC से अप्रूव्ड है या नहीं. So let me tell you that GAU is listed in WHO, FAMR and NMC, so it is recognized globally. So you do not need to worry about that. Another frequently asked question is if Indian food is available in the hostels. So yes, Indian food is available. So you will not have to worry about your diet also over there. And students also keep asking about how long the internship is. So like I mentioned before कि आपका जो curriculum है वो 5+1 year का है. तो जो 1 साल है that will be of your internship. It will be a 12-month internship in their hospital itself. I hope all the doubts are cleared and you can ask for more doubts in the comment section below. So go to the link in the description given below and register now.